Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today, as you see in the title, I attempted Nigerian jollof rice.
Jesus
guys,
is love!
my people, please don't come for me, hey? Like, I made sure I found a sister, my Nigerian sister on YouTube to tell me how to make, Nigerian jollof rice. I went through a couple of recipes and I was like, okay, this one looks simple enough. Let me try this as a first attempt. So I did it. It is by a lovely YouTuber who does a whole bunch of recipes. Her name is Ajaya or something. I can't remember the full name, but I will definitely put the link in the description. So if you would love to see her recipe and how she makes it, definitely check it out. Okay, let's talk about the whole process, right? So it was a pretty, simple, nice and straightforward recipe. As you will see, like, my blender blew out, literally almost died, like the electrocution, I could feel it in my arm. That's how deep it was. So I had to drive to my aunt's house and get her blender and then continue making it. So I made everything, got all my ingredients together and whatnot. But then the mistake I made, because I was just out here afraid that my rice was gonna burn, is basically that when you've put everything in and now you want to cook the rice in the sauce, it gets to a point where it looks pretty dry. So I was like, bruh, this is going to burn. So I poured some water and that kind of overcooked it a bit. So it came out a bit softer than what it looks like in the actual recipe video. But I must say that I was impressed by my first attempt, because it came out tasting so good. Like, it was so good. I took it to work and people are like, yes girl, this is like some good jollof rice. So guys, please check it out. I'm definitely trying to do more African recipes because I want to learn more about my continent and experience different foods. So I might as well try and cook them because of how much I love to cook and bake. So yeah, please do check it out. Let me know what you think. Definitely pop tips down below. Let me know what I need to be doing different, what I can do to enhance it. And yeah, I think next I'll be trying Ghanaian jollof rice. Then I want to do Senegalese, because that's where it's originated. That's where it originates from. So guys, get your history right. But it's very hard. I looked at the ingredients to make the Senegalese rice and I was like, bruh, this is a long process. But we will attempt these things. So yeah guys, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you at my next one.
Ball on the air, don't grab all the kitty. She telescope me, don't go on my clip. Don't you there before, don't blame me, don't need it. No power did I let you come to me with me. Oh, Nikin dojo me, oh lo malapa, oh Nikin latan, oh ni malatan. Satisfying you. All my friends, you out there bad. Will I satisfy you?